Well, we're gonna try the pheasant hunting thing today again. Hopefully, I don't suck at shooting like normal. So hopefully we can find some birds that want to kick up and can get some decent shots. It's been super cold here the past couple of days. We even got some snow last night, so hopefully the pheasants are holding a little tighter to their cover than they were before, and hopefully we can get some better shots off at them. And hopefully now the corn is out close by where we were hunting before, because the problem was the pheasants would go to the corn. We don't have permission to hunt that land, as if you'd even want to hunt the corn anyway because it's so tall. Anyway, we're going to give it a shot again. Stick with us here. Bella, where you going? You pumped or what? Just a little pumped. Oops, sorry. Thanks. Oh. Maybe we can find you a bird today, Bella. We'll see. So far she's pretty birdie and we haven't even gotten anywhere. Whoa, Bella. I don't know what she's doing. She's trying to get it to kick up and it won't. I think she did. Because she did that jumping thing. That's what she does when she tries to get them to flush. But it didn't flush. I don't know. I think we were both right on it. All right, Bella, come. Bella, come. Bella, no. Come. She doesn't want to let it go because it's still halfway alive, I think. Hey! Good job. Here, I'll let you just set it in my behind there, and then yep. Good job. Did you get reloaded?
Yes, I think we're good.
Okay. I don't know. It was way far away when it finally kicked up. That thing was running like crazy in front of us, Pops. Well, dang. Those shells have some kick to them. Holy crap. Oh, dang it. I don't know where those shells went after I shot. Oh well. Find one, pup. Let's go. Nope. She's on something. All right. Find him, pup. Let's go. Hen. Where's he at, Bella? Come on. Ooh.
guys are too slow. Get him, girl. Come on. Where's he at? She's trying to get him to kick up. Hen. Or mouse? Okay. Get him. Come on, pup. Get him. I know you got one in front of you here. Let's go. Find him. Hen. Bella, come. Good job. Good job. Good girl. Come on, pup. Yep. She's like, there it is. A little muskrat path or something there. Whoa! I think it being as warm as it is not helping our cause or efforts. Oh man, it's about the 5th anthill I've tripped over out here. I about got taken down by one. Oh man, you ain't kidding. What do you think, Bella? Is it time for a photo? Well, maybe there's something with those shells. Hey. Oop. Sorry, bud. Ooh. What? I don't have any treats, I'm sorry. The over-under finally does something. How about that? $200 gun starting to pay for itself, I guess.
Well, we were successful today. Got one pheasant. Took a shot at another pheasant, but unfortunately we did not get that one. But we got one bird. Pretty cool. I mean, they're just an absolutely beautiful animal, and we feel very fortunate to have this bird. It will taste delicious per usual when it comes to pheasants, and we can't wait to get it home and cook it up. Anyway, thank you guys for watching and sticking with us through these pheasant hunts. They have been a trial, but we have managed to finally find some success. So thanks for watching. I appreciate it if you'd like and subscribe. I'll catch you in the next one.